In part 1 we had a masterclass on how to soften an octopus. I hope you had a chance to watch it first. If not, watch it after this. This video is dedicated on how to prepare a 5-minute octopus tapa. Please join me at my small kitchen for some learning and fun. Hello, let's resume. You could hardly believe it has become this soft. Look, very soft, very soft. Have you ever seen that? Octopus this soft. Unbelievable. So it also shrunk this much. So I think with this size, we're not able to make 2 dishes out of this. We'll just be making one, which is... I'm still thinking which one. Imagine. We'll be cooking Pulpo al Ajillo, or battered octopus. In garlic. Look how easy I'm slicing it. Four tentacles at a time. Believe me, even easier than slicing onion. That was very quick. And then we can turn this on. Prepare the rest of the ingredient, which is just garlic. Just remove that, the tentacle there. I'm gonna use cooking, what's this? Olive oil. For best results, use olive oil. Let me just do the rest of the ingredient. We had olive oil here. Salt. Do we still? Yeah, just a bit of salt. And ideally, fresh parsley. I don't have it. Dried parsley is good. And paprika powder. And that one. Look at the amount of oil here. I can add the paprika now. And the herb, the dried parsley. And the octopus. Some salt. Pepper, and this is done. In less than 5 minutes, it's done. Master restaurant in the Philippines has a similar dish. It's baby squid in olive oil. Same recipe, except baby squid. This is a good option to adobo. If you're tired of adobo, try this. Look! Octopus. This is possibly the softest octopus on YouTube. Let's try this. Let's do, by the way, let's make a full tutorial on how to prepare octopus when we are in my barrio, in my carol, in Anda. For now, this is the octopus that we bought from the supermarket. Very slow. Look, I can even use the fork to cut the pieces. How soft it is. See? You could not do that otherwise. See how soft it is. This calls for beer. Dip the octopus 2 seconds in the boiling water. 1, 2. Just 2 seconds. Let's wait until the water again boils briskly. First step, 2 seconds. The water is again boiling, then second dip. This time 4 seconds. 3 to 4, it doesn't have to be exact. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the change in the structure. It's beginning to curl, meaning its muscles fight back. Again, let's wait for the water to boil. Now, that's what I call boiling briskly. Third dip.